Hello, I got a new camera. I've got that DJI Pocket 3. So we're going to try that out. It is getting big, but I'll show you some trains and so it's in 4K. Yep, I know what that is, eh? No worries. But a mate of mine, Dave, not Joel, because Joel's the one who was Dave in the last video. But anyways, he knows what I mean. But I've got a mate who's all into camera stuff, so he wants to get hold of his camera, he wants to have a play with it, and he's going to sort it out. So, we'll try and film stuff. I've changed no settings, so I've got no idea what I'm doing. But we'll see how we go. Alright? Let's see what it's like. Because I reckon it's really good. Oh. So I did get some more of these, which come up on eBay in Australia, which is really good. So now I've got 16 of them. Try and wait. Yeah, I need Dave to give us some advice on these things, but there we go. They actually look pretty good, eh? Oh, I've got to get used to it. We'll get used to it. We'll just film this lot going past and see how it looks. So I can zoom in. Let's zoom in out. So that's pretty good for engage. When you consider how small it is. Zoom that out a bit. There we go. That looks pretty good. Like everybody else, just got to learn how to use it. Learn all the functions and stuff. Well, that's pretty good. I reckon it is anyways. Oh, that's some good detail on it. Oh, here we go. See what this is like. The thing is, I'm looking at a screen which is only 6 centimetres long by about 3 centimetres high. So it's actually hard to, well, not hard, it's, I don't know. It's small looking at what I'm looking at, so I actually don't know how well it's going to turn out. If that makes sense. Here's the coffee cup. Maybe put some more coffee in that, I think. But it looks pretty good. Do a rolling shot. Let's try it. Whoa, getting scared. Just need to learn how to hold my hand still. That's pretty cool, eh? Something different. Yeah. Oh, I'm happy with it. We'll see what it's actually like, eh? Let's see if we can zoom in on stuff. So I've got my Australian loco up here. Where is it? There it is. And that's pretty good. There's a DD40, the Barkman one. Well, that's pretty good. I have to say, that's actually really good. That's the Ahern Challenger. And everything else is KATO big boy. Oh, you lot know what these things are. That's pretty good. Wow. I have to say that works really, really well. And that stopped. Oh yeah, so the front truck has come off. Can you zoom in on that or not? Oh, we can. That's what's happened there. So there we go. This camera actually seems alright. Just got to play with the settings and all that. And yeah, go from there. We can zoom in on this thing going past. Under and past. Oh, that's pretty cool. So there we go, no changes. I've just got the CP auto racks, new camera. I did get a set of these. These are, well, see, can I zoom in on them? I can't actually say what they are. No, it's WA Bash. So I'm not too sure, but I have a loco coming for them. I've got passenger cars, so I'm quite happy with them. I still haven't fixed my power problem yet, so I've still got to put that in. I'm still playing around with the design with the track up here. As you can see there, got the crossover, got a siding, and a roundhouse. Still playing around with them, but we'll get there. So yeah, there we go, new camera. And there we go, everybody have fun. Oh, we'll see this thing go past, eh? Have fun, we'll talk to you again. Let's see if we can get some derail action. I doubt it. So I'm pretty good at building stuff. I wonder what the sounds like. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Wow. I have to download it now and work out how to put it on YouTube. Alright, see ya. Have fun.